Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from PayPal using instant transfer, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from PayPal using instant transfer, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, look for the wallet option at the top of the page. Click on Wallet to access your balance and linked accounts. Next, find the Transfer Funds option and click on it. You will see different withdrawal options available. Select Withdraw to your bank account if prompted. Choose the option for Instant Transfer if it's available. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm that the linked bank account is correct. Take a moment to review the transfer details carefully. Once you're certain everything is accurate, click Next to proceed. PayPal may display any fees associated with the instant transfer. Review the fee information and ensure you agree with it. If everything looks good, click on Transfer Now to finalize the withdrawal. You will see a confirmation screen with the details of your transfer. Take note of the estimated transfer time provided. An email confirmation will be sent to you once the transaction is complete. Finally, check your bank account within the estimated time frame to verify the deposit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.